Hi. So hopefully this is showing I have the tripod as high as it will go, and I still have it on top of a box so that it's high enough. So years ago there was a ceiling light that the light bulb burned out, and I looked online to see how do you remove this glass cover because I had no idea and no one had a video. So anyway, I experimented and I figured it out and did it, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to make a video so if some other poor schlep like me has to remove one of those light things, at least they know how. So I posted it, and then other people did copycat videos after. I'm not bitter, but anyway. So now this light in my closet is burnt out for the first time in a decade, and I have no idea how to remove it. And I thought, these are so common, like I've seen these everywhere, for sure someone's gonna have a video. Nope, I could not find one of how to remove this thing. So I'm gonna try it, and I figured I might as well make a video of it because that's one of my highest my most popular videos was my removing the light thing. My toilet one had 85,000 views, and the light one I think has like 60,000 or something. Anyways, I'm going to try to remove this globe light. Now I'll show you close up. So there are 3 screws, these 2 and then another one kind of at the back. But to me, they're all just screws. Like, they don't seem like any of them pull out or anything like that. I mean, one of them seems like, are you supposed to just loosen all the screws? Like, is that? I don't know. I didn't even bring a screwdriver, but. So I don't know if you just have to loosen. Okay, you know what? So it looks like just the screws just hold it in. So if you loosen one or a couple of them, then it comes off. I'm gonna have to clean this off too because it's disgusting, and I'm gonna change the bulb. But yeah, so they're just 3 regular screws. So yeah, you just unscrew it, I guess, and then replace the bulb, and then yeah. So anyway, it's been hard because there's no window in my closet, so it's pitch dark, so it's hard to find things. At least I have this light now with the camera, so I can actually see to do this. So yeah, so I'll change the light bulb and then we'll put this back. So this is how it looks, the ball when you get it off. It's just like a globe thing, and there's nothing special around the rim. It's just like that, and just the screws just hold it in, I guess. So I'll put the new bulb in and make sure that it works before I put the cover on. So just getting. So, and now put the thing back. So hopefully I get this back on without a problem. So yeah, there's the 3 screws, and you just kind of, I don't know. How is that supposed to go in? I don't know how that stays in there now that, I guess I'll loosen the screws more to make room and put it in, and then just tighten them up. And just doing this by hand, I don't have a screwdriver here. So I mean, you might want to have a screwdriver, but I can just loosen and tighten by hand, I guess. I don't know. I don't want this to fall. It feels like it's 100 degrees while I'm doing this. And stretching up. And it would help if I had a step ladder, would be better than just standing on a stool, but oh well. I'm just tightening the 3 screws, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So yeah, it's staying on there. So I mean, if I wanted to, I guess I could get a screwdriver and make sure they're really tight, but then you don't want to go too crazy because you want to be able to get it back off again at some point. So, and I mean, no one's going to be touching it. It's not like it's going to be jostled around that it could fall. So, yeah, so there you go. And let's see, yeah, let there be light. So there you go. So I'm the first one to do a video of this kind of light, how to change the bulb and put the thing back. So maybe that'll get 60,000 views, or maybe somebody will copy it and get 1 million views. But anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.